Hi, my name is Dr. Ford, and I'm going to talk about iron today. I just had a really interesting session. A physician referred me a patient that has hemochromatosis, which meaning they have too much iron in their blood. So medically, you actually can remove some blood and reduce the iron. Behavior-wise, the doctor wanted me to talk about reducing his iron intake. So he came in and we kind of talked about what he was eating, what he wasn't eating, and what he was willing to do. So I gave him basic 5 tips. We taught him the difference between heme iron and non-heme iron. Heme iron is found in typically animal-based products. There's different amounts and it's more absorbable, meaning your body absorbs iron faster in that type of food source versus a non-heme, which would be like beans. So getting to know my client, he loves dishes that have beef, seafood, and pork. And so it was even asking him, what is the likelihood that you'll be able to make this change? And if the answer was no, then it was figuring out, okay, maybe we could do some things to maybe decrease your absorption of iron. Pair it with calcium fortified foods. Reduce your vitamin C paired with these meats because that can actually enhance iron absorption. And then also maybe increasing your oxalates and phytic acids where that actually helps to block iron absorption. And so I don't have a pill, I don't have a potion, I don't have a program to give them, but I have very basic science and then the skills and how to incorporate that in someone's life. Because sometimes changes that are so opposite of what you're currently are doing can, one, make you feel kind of hopeless, make you feel less motivated or overwhelmed, and the likelihood of changing decreases. So then we just kind of wasted an hour by just giving him a worksheet that he's not going to do. So it was just really investing in what's important to him. He wants his food to taste good, but then also giving him numbers of, hey, men need about 8 milligrams of iron a day. So let me show you how to look up foods outside of here. Here is a free resource on how to look up what iron is in food, and then comparing it to what you're eating and slowly working on reducing the amount of iron and then reducing the chances of absorption happening. If you're interested in any of this, I would love to provide you with some education in my practice on how to just navigate nutrition with medical diagnoses and how to incorporate them in your life. If you suffer from excessive iron, make sure you talk to your doctor. There's medical interventions that can help, but there's also behavior-based and food-based interactions that can help alleviate the excess iron in your blood. Hope this was helpful, and if you like, hit subscribe and follow along for more.